Imagine discovering your true self in the tranquil beauty of Thailand, far from the usual backpacker spots. This video is your exclusive guide to hidden gems where self-discovery meets adventure. Solo travel here is a liberating experience, unlike anything you've felt before. If you've dreamed of exploring Thailand on your own, stay tuned for the best-kept secrets. Traveling alone in Thailand opens a door to freedom and endless possibilities. The country greets you with rich culture, stunning landscapes, and the warmest locals. When you're solo, you're in control of your journey. You choose when to move, what to eat, and how long to linger. Want to relax on a secluded beach? Go for it. Feel like chasing waterfalls on a scooter? Nobody's stopping you. Thailand is safe, affordable, and perfect for solo adventurers. That's why it's one of the best places for those seeking both thrill and tranquility. Let's kick off our adventure in Bangkok, but we're skipping the usual tourist traps. Imagine gliding along the Chao Phraya River, surrounded by wooden houses and serene canals. This is Bangkok, but without the chaos, where time slows down just for you. If food is your passion, forget the crowded restaurants. Head to Tor Core Market, where locals find the freshest fruits and street food. Sink your teeth into spicy papaya salad or indulge in mango sticky rice that melts in your mouth. This is the real heart of Bangkok, far more authentic than any bar street. Now let's journey north to Chiang Mai, known for its stunning temples. But the true magic lies just outside the city walls. Picture yourself on a scooter cruising through the lush Mae Rim countryside. You'll discover hidden waterfalls and mountain cafes, sipping Thai iced coffee while soaking in the views. For those who chase sunrises, Mon Cham viewpoint is a must-see. As the sky turns gold above the mountains, it feels like a dream you'll cherish forever. And here's the best part. Chiang Mai is a haven for digital nomads and solo travelers. Step into a co-working cafe, and you'll meet fellow wanderers from around the globe. That coffee break could spark a new adventure with friends you haven't met yet. If you want to slow things down, take the winding road to Pai. It's a little out of the way, but trust me, the journey is worth every curve. In Pai, time seems to stand still. Spend your day soaking in hot springs or walking across the bamboo bridge through endless rice fields. Hike up to Pai Canyon for sunset views that will leave you speechless. When night falls, Pai's walking street comes alive with food stalls and live music. It's the perfect balance. Quiet mornings in nature and vibrant evenings. You can meet fellow travelers without feeling overwhelmed. Of course, no trip to Thailand is complete without the islands. But instead of the crowded spots, let's explore the hidden gems. Koh Lanta is perfect for solo travelers seeking peace without isolation. Long stretches of beach, easy scooter rides, and friendly locals make it feel like home. Koh Noi is just a short boat ride from Phuket, yet feels like another world. Quiet fishing villages, palm-fringed roads, and sunsets that look like paintings await you. Koh Mak is tiny and untouched, ideal for those wanting to truly disconnect. No noisy crowds here, just the sound of waves and endless blue waters. These islands let you wander freely, without the rush or chaos. Just you and the breathtaking beauty of Thailand. Let's dive into a hidden gem in Thailand that most tourists overlook, Isan. This region is where you'll experience authentic Thai life, with endless rice fields and ancient Khmer temples. You'll find food here that's so spicy, it'll really test your limits. If you're a solo traveler, Nong Khai is a must-visit, a peaceful riverside town by the Mekong. It's affordable, friendly, and feels like a different Thailand altogether. For adventure seekers, hike Phu Kradueng National Park. It's a challenge, but trust me, the sunset view from the summit is unforgettable. Now, let's talk essentials for solo travel. Food is key. Thai street food is safe, cheap, and absolutely delicious. Follow the locals. If a stall is busy, that's your cue to dive in. You have to try pad kra pao, grilled skewers, and fresh tropical fruits. Your taste buds will thank you, I promise. When it comes to culture, the Thai people are incredibly warm and polite. A simple smile can go a long way here. Learn a few phrases like sawadi for hello and kop kun for thank you. You'll earn respect instantly. Safety is another plus. Thailand is one of the safest places for solo travel. Just use common sense, keep your belongings close, and trust your instincts. So, are you ready to explore Isan and create unforgettable memories? At the end of the day, solo travel in Thailand is all about the freedom you feel. Imagine riding down a mountain road, the wind in your hair, just you and the open road. Picture standing barefoot on a quiet beach at sunrise, with the world all to yourself. It's those small conversations with locals that make the journey unforgettable. The smiles from strangers remind you of the beauty in connection. And the pride of knowing you did it all on your own? That's priceless. Thailand's hidden gems aren't just places, they're moments of discovery. They happen when you embrace the solo adventure. Whether you're sipping coffee in Chiang Mai or stargazing in Pai, it's all yours. Or maybe you stumble upon an island that feels like a secret paradise. If this guide inspired your solo journey, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Now, let me ask you this. If you had just 1 week in Thailand, would you choose the mountains, the islands, or the cities? Drop your answer in the comments. I can't wait to hear which adventure calls to you.